This is Firdous Ahmed Mir, and today is our fourth lecture on trigonometry for class 10th, and and we have done first question of exercise 8.1, and now we will be heading towards the second question. So I have mentioned here the second question of exercise 8.1. So यहाँ पे जो question है, question it's given as in given figure that I have mentioned here. Find tan p minus cot r. So we have to find tan p and we will find them separately. First we will find tan p and then cot r. So for tan p as हमने पढ़ा है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज के बारे में tan equal to perpendicular upon base. You can see here hypotenuse is given and this side is also given. ये side जो QR है ये इन्होंने दिया ही नहीं. So that means we have to determine first QR in order to deduce this quantity, that is tan P. So बट यहाँ पे जो एंगल ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है इस वाले ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो में दैट इज tan P. इट इज एंगल P. दैट मीन्स एंगल P will be your angle of interest. Okay, so as it's very important, it tells us about the about which side is perpendicular and which side is base. The opposite of this angle of interest is perpendicular. That means QR will be perpendicular, and for this side it will be, this will be base for when we have angle of interest P. So in order to deduce the third side of this right angle triangle, we will use Pythagoras theorem that tells us the square of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse here is PR. That means the square of the hypotenuse will be equal to the sum of the squares of other sides. The other sides are PQ square plus QR square. Because Pythagoras theorem as per PGT, it tells us about the third side of the right angle triangle. As it's not given in this question, PR square जो होगा वो यहाँ पे होगा PQ square plus QR square. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other sides. And PR यहाँ पे इन्होंने दिया है that is 13 equal to PQ यहाँ पे इन्होंने दिया that is 12 plus QR we have to determine. So using a simple transpose method, transposing the variable quantity which we have to deduce. यहाँ पे QR हमारा हमें निकालना है. That means we will keep it from the left hand side, and ये जो बाकी quantities हैं इनको right hand side लेंगे. That means 13 square, ये 12 square it was here plus, वो उस side ये आ जाएगा minus. QR square will be equal to 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144. QR square will be equal. If we will subtract these two terms, it comes 25. It comes 25, 25, 25 plus 44. Exactly. That means we can write QR square equal to 5 square. Because 5 square is equal to here 25, because we can write 5 into 5. 5 into 5 means 5 square. Square will get cancelled out. QR equal to 5. But centimeter, because we are dealing here with centimeters, it will come out as 5 centimeter. So, but what we are doing here, we have to deduce this tan P term. tan p term. Tan p perpendicular upon base. For this, perpendicular will be this side, that means QR, upon base will be this side, because the adjacent of the angle of interest is always base. Here base will be equal to PQ. That means 5 centimeter upon PQ is 12 centimeter. It will become 5 upon 2. In a similar way, we have to find cot. As I have mentioned, the cot is inverse of tan. That means if it was perpendicular upon base, it will become base upon perpendicular. But here angle of interest is getting changed. That means we have here our angle of interest. That means this is our angle of interest. If this is our angle of interest, the opposite of this angle of interest will be as perpendicular, and for this angle, this will act as base. That means base is QR upon, and perpendicular is PQ. It will become as base is QR, that means 5 centimeter, upon PQ is 12 centimeter. Centimeter will get cancelled out, and we will get 5 upon 12 is the solution. But we have to find tan p minus cot. Tan p was 5 upon 12 minus cot r was 5 upon 12. It will come out as 0. This is the complete solution of this question.